Yes, sir.
How did you play Holi?
Sir.
Sir, by Gulal.
But did you use what kind of colors?
Sir, normal colors, easily
Hmm.
washable colors.
Yes, sir.
Washable, yes. But I hope it should not be lead based. Did you always use herbal colors? Because in earlier times, people used to use colors which were lead based, and lead is very dangerous for our body. It
Yes.
creates lots of problems. So you must use only herbal colors. So we have, Acha, Rakesh is joining us. Hello, Rakesh. You are in
Yes.
which
Sir, I'm
class?
Saksham. Sir, I'm Saksham.
Oh, he's Saksham. Acha, okay. First time I'm seeing his video.
No, sir. It's not the first time.
Acha, no video part.
Oh, yes, sir.
What is that? Something came. I don't have a brother. So, so Saksham, how did you play Holi?
Yes, sir, very well. Everyone filled me with colors.
Yeah. So, did you have any problem after playing Holi?
Yes, sir, my hair was red in color due to the colors of Holi.
Oh, but you didn't get any rashes or something like that?
No, sir, no, sir.
No. Okay, good. And Akshar, did you get any rashes after playing Holi?
No, sir.
Good. Aryan, did you get any rashes
No, sir.
anywhere?
Sir, we use herbal colors in Holi.
Yes, you should use, and you should also tell your friends to use herbal colors.
Yes.
So,
Sir, I had a question. You mentioned
hmm,
that lead is poisonous to us. So I've heard that Romans, or I think so, uh, in Greeks, people used lead as their pipes, and I think so they also knew what they were doing, and they also knew that lead was poisonous. So if that was that plenty in the ancient times, so why don't we have them in the modern times in this era? And how did it get banned? Is there any story behind it?
no, actually, in earlier times, there was no way to measure what is the impact of something. So that was the problem. It's now that we have that if suppose if there is a lead poisoning in the body, what happens? In fact, many medicines, they have long-term effects, but there are no short-term effects. Now also you will find that a medicine, after 20 years, they they take it back because suddenly they find that there is some problem with it. So, and in earlier times, there never was a double-blind test. So it was they used to have practice. What is that?
So, sir,
Yeah,
so
Akshar. Akshar is there.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello, Akshar.
Sir, can you say Earth to open his camera?
Yeah, Earth. Akshar is requesting you to open your camera, video camera. He wants to see you.
Yes,
And we
because
have,
both are from Darbhanga.
Yes, sir.
okay.
Yes, sir.
Me too.
Yes.
And there is Shreya also. Hello, Shreya.
Parth, sir. Parth, not chef. Parth.
Oh, that is Parth.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good
Okay,
evening
sir.
to Amarnath ji. He has joined us now.
Good evening, sir.
Hello, everybody.
Uh, Shreya,
Good
open
evening.
your mic, camera.
Oh, we have a lot of video this thing.
So, sir,
No,
like,
but Shreya's name is he's not Shreya. His name is
Sir,
different.
I'm meeting with my sister account, sir.
Yeah, yeah, I know that. So
He is
your
Parth.
good name
Parth.
is
Yes, sir.
Parth.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
so,
Yeah,
sir,
someone. Yes, you are asking a question. Yes.
so, sir, like, during, I think so, some time ago, people still used lead, and it was still very convenient for them. I think so. Uh, it was more used in the German areas, I think so, a century or two ago. So, did we know that lead was poisonous at that time?
I don't think they knew that lady is poisonous.
So, sir, but there would have been signs that lead was poisoning them from the ancient time. That the
Yeah, must be, but there was no way to detect that.
Okay, sir.
Say, for example, mercury. Mercury is very poisonous. In fact, even few milligrams can cause lots of diseases in the brain. But in old times, in many places, it was used in the medicines because they did not know. So mercury is highly poisonous.
Okay, sir.
So with science, we have come to know what are the bad effects of different things.
So, sir, Saksham has a question for you.
Yes, please go ahead. Oh, he wants to make a presentation.
Sorry, Akshar is doing a presentation. He is mute.
Yeah, Akshar, please unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you're making a presentation.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what is the meaning of this one? Sustainability. Yeah, yeah, you're going to tell us what do we understand by sustainability?
Sir, sustainability of life means that we should live in a proper way with a team. We should not get in any fight or something. We should live in a happy life.
Yeah, but what does sustainability mean?
सर that what I am सर मैं हिंदी में कहा हूँ
Yes.
सर सस्टेनेबिलिटी मतलब होता है कि हमें पेड़ पौधों का बचाव क्यों करना चाहिए और उससे हम लोग के लाइफ पे क्या इम्पैक्ट पड़ेगा हमें लोगों से अच्छे संबंध रखने चाहिए ये सब
Sustainability means that something which lasts for a long time. That is what sustainability means. Suppose I start taking lead. So I start taking a medicine which contains lead, but so it won't sustain because
यस
very soon we will get to know that it's poisonous. So it is not sustainable. So something that lasts for a long time is sustainability. Now let's go ahead with what you are saying.
Yes, Akshar, please continue.
सर I made of only 14 pages
So you needed to also say something regarding this. You right now only you are presenting something, right?
oh sir
No, no,
I
you
have
have,
to sing also
yeah,
Yes,
yeah, you have to speak. Otherwise, how do we understand? You have to
okay
make us understand what is written there.
each page you have need to say something.
Yes, sir. Wait a minute. I should make this small. And, 1 second. Understanding the concept of sustainability, the balance between needs and resources. Sustainability of life means meeting present needs without compromising future generations' ability to meet theirs. It emphasizes the interconnectedness of the environment, society, and economy for a balanced future.
Okay, go ahead. Yeah,
Sir,
we'll
why?
we'll ask you question in the end.
Sir, wait a minute, sir. It is not working. Yeah. Why it is not working? Yes. 1.7 hertz. Resource consumption exceed capacity. We are currently consuming resources at an alarming rate, equivalent to 1.7 hertz annually, highlighting the urgent need of sustainable practices to preserve our planet's future. Three pillars of uh, yeah, three pillars of sustainability: environmental, social, and economic. Environmental sustainability focuses on natural ecosystems, conserving resources, and reducing pollution to ensure a healthy planet for future generations. Social sustainability promotes equitable communities, ensuring access to education, healthcare, and opportunities for all individuals to thrive in harmony and well-being. Economic sustainability supports stable economics that prioritize fair trade, green jobs, and responsible practices, foresting, fostering resilience and long-term prosperity for people and the planet. Environmental sustainability focuses on preserving ecosystems and reducing pollution to ensure that natural resources remain available for future generations while maintaining the health of our planet. Social sustainability. Social sustainability emphasizes the importance of inclusion, education, and health in communities. By fostering equitable access and collaboration, we can build together societies that thrive together. Economic sustainability. Economic sustainability focuses on creating resilient economies that prioritize social equity and environmental integrity, fostering fair trade practices and supporting local communities to thrive, thrive together. Uh, Same problem, sir. Yeah. Sustainability in action. Real world examples. Inspiring initiatives across the globe. Numerous projects demonstrate innovative solutions to sustainability challenges, from urban to renewable energy installations. These initiatives showcase how communities can thrive while protecting our planet resources. Benefits of sustainability: healthier environment, improved equity, economic savings, enhanced resilience, community well-being, biodiversity protection.
What is equity?
Before and after, sustainable practices. Overconsumption leads to severe pollution and uh, unsustainability. Neighbor practices. Overconsumption leads to severe pollution and social disparities, affecting ecosystems and community health. Unsustainable practices damage our planet resources and threaten our future generations' well-being. Sustainable solutions. Transitioning to sustainable solution promotes conservation, clean energy, and community wellness. Embarrassing sustainable practices fosters a healthier environment and equitable societies for present and future generations. How can you help? reduce waste, support local, educate others, advocate policies, join community efforts. The future depends on what we do in the present. Mahatma Gandhi. Thank you for your attention today. We welcome your questions and insights. और
So,
सर ये कुछ है सस्टेनेबल लोगोस इको फ्रेंडली लीव रिसाइकलिंग सिंपल सोलर एनर्जी विंड
hey,
पावर
अक्षर जब आप प्रेजेंट करते हैं, when you present, so just if you just read out what you have written, so people will not get impressed. So whatever is written there, you have got to explain to others. नहीं तो ये हो जाएगा ना कि आप प्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं बट आप खाली रीड कर रहे हैं. So anybody will just take out few slides presented by AI. He will just read it out.
Sir, I didn't make from that AI. I made it myself.
Sure ना, तो इसको आप जो लिखे जो हैं तो समझाएंगे नहीं एग्जाम्पल दे करके, तो हम लोग कैसे समझेंगे?
सर मेरे एग्जाम्स चल रहे थे इसीलिए मैं अच्छे से नहीं उतना
अच्छा,
टाइम.
फिर okay, yeah, next time when you present, whatever is written there, you have to explain to us.
तुम करके देखो कहीं हो जाए.
हाँ.
Sir, sir,
So
I had a
there,
question for
there
him.
yeah, Aryan has a question, and there is one more question from Rakesh.
Saksham, yes, sir.
Hey, Saksham, sorry. Saksham. Okay, Aryan, go ahead with your question to
So he
Akshay.
had written that we use 1.7 times the Earth annually. So I do not get what does he mean by that. If we use 1.7 Earths every year, the Earth should have been finished till now.
Yeah, Akshay, what do you say?
Yes, sir. 100 times. That 1.7 Earth means that only not Earth resources like solar energy, wind energy. People on our Earth use more than 1.7 Earths annually. Power.
ना
Okay.
समझ में नहीं आया. 1.7 is what? 7 is what? Resources means what? Is it minerals? Is it food? Is it what?
सर
Is it metals?
सर इसका मतलब हुआ कि ह्यूमंस जो है वो नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज 1.7 टाइम ज्यादा फास्ट यूज कर रहे हैं कि अर्थ जितना कि अर्थ हर साल उसको रीजनरेट कर पाए.
For example,
जैसे
वही
सर
आर्यन पूछ रहे हैं कि 1.7 times if you use, तब तो एक साल में ही सब खत्म हो जाएगा.
नो सर ये सिंपल वर्ड्स में कि अर्थ जो है वो बस रिसोर्सेज एक अर्थ जितना ही एक साल में कर सकता है, लेकिन हम लोग उससे 1.7 अर्थ जितना ज्यादा हम लोग उसका यूज कर रहे हैं. जैसे मतलब कटिंग ट्रीज, यूजिंग फॉसिल फ्यूल्स, फूड प्रोडक्शन, वाटर यूज, ये सब सर.
For example, एक चीज का दीजिए. Give an example of this.
सर जैसे भैया को लग रहा है कि वो के हम लोग कैसे 1.7 अर्थ यूज कर पा रहे हैं जब एक ही अर्थ है. तो जब ह्यूमंस नहीं थे तो उससे भी पहले तो अर्थ एक एक बना रहा था, तो उसी को हम लोग रीयूज कर रहे हैं और एक टाइम आएगा जब वो खत्म हो जाएगा.
Example,
Earth is
एक example
regenerating,
दीजिए.
that's why, sir.
कटिंग वाटर यूज एंड एनीथिंग एल्स.
हाँ तो वाटर तो फिक्स है. वाटर तो बन नहीं रहा है कहीं पर.
Yes, sir, it is that regenerating on glaciers, sir.
Where is it generated?
Glaciers,
Who
sir,
is,
from glaciers.
So,
no, who is speaking? Sorry,
Sir Parth,
who?
Parth.
I support, sir.
Acha, Path. Yeah, you are saying that water is getting generated on Earth.
Yes, on glaciers, sir.
Oh, from the glacier. Yeah, you are correct. You say yes. Yeah, that's true. That's true.
Sir, and one more thing, if we cut 10 trees and make a house of it, the weight of the earth before and after that would remain the same because it was in the system. It has not left earth.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. So, Saksham also has a question.
Yes, go ahead, Saksham.
So I am having a question that we know that we can produce electricity by using a magnet. So how does this happens?
Electricity using magnet.
Yes, sir. Sir, he is talking about. Sir, there is a law in it is one of the four fundamental laws. The it is, I think so, Faraday's law of induction. So it says that if you move a magnet near an wire, what would happen? That it would attract electrons and it will go in the magnet's way, but that will go against the original movement, so that would create a voltage. And then that is how I think so the first motors were created, and it was done by Faraday, and the mathematical description was given by James Clerk Maxwell. So I also do not have much understanding of electromagnetism, but that is what I know, sir.
Yeah, so there is a fundamental law which is there that suppose you put a wire and there is a magnetic field. So if the wire moves, by that we mean that if the wire cuts, say copper conductor wire, if the wire cuts the lines of force of magnetic lines of force, there will be electricity generated in that.
Yes, sir.
But sir, but sir, what will happen if the magnet used is too strong, like the neodymium magnet?
Yeah, let it be. If it is stronger, the magnetic field, more is the current generated.
Or if it is way too close, it will just stick to the magnet.
So let us say, how does a fan move? Any idea?
Sir, it moves with
Sir,
the
by
help of
DC
electricity.
motor. So by DC motor.
What is a DC motor?
The DC motor is a device used to um, uh, um, revolute something on its power basis. Like if we put small battery power, it will mean move slowly, and if we put high battery power, it will move fast.
Yeah. Say in the fan, what happens that the electric current flows, and that current which flows, it generates a magnetic field. And suppose there is an iron element in that will feel the force and it will move it. The reverse can also happen. That if the magnet moves and if there is a wire, so it will generate electric current in that. So that is what we know about the magnetic field. So magnetic field can generate electric current, and electric current can generate magnetic field. It is so interesting. Yeah, Akshar, you are raising your hand. What is the question?
Uh, yeah, sir. I want to ask you and Amarnath sir one thing,
Yes, sure.
and also Pankaj sir.
What is the question?
Sir, which is the best meme and safe media platform for using for teenagers or kids?
Best social media
Platform
platform.
for teens and kids.
Pankaj ji, this question is for you.
And I think for kids, no any social media. I think.
Yeah, I think you guys are too young to use the social media, and
Sir, sir,
you know
they but they can be some safe and secure like
what question is why you are already using media. This is the media you have right now, right? So you want this kind of media where you are interacting with seniors, experienced people, and communicate with each other. That's what you need, right? Or with your friends. But the problem is that social medias are not designed for that. Meetings are like in this kind of setup. So this is how it is now. uh, there is there I was listening on the radio recently, and there was a talk that teenagers are getting less and less sleep nowadays. Okay,
Yeah.
and do you know what is the reason for that? Because in all over the world now this social media is taking a lot of teenagers time. In my generation, when Malik ji and I we were growing up, we didn't have even TV. So all we used to do evening is study, eat our dinner, and talk a little bit with the family and then go to sleep. Now what is happening is that you guys have telephone, you guys have your communication devices, TV, computer, all these gadgets. So in the evening, uh, you are spending some time on these things which our generation did not, and as a result you guys are sleeping less compared to us. So there is a big research in this country, in America. They have found that because of this change, and because of all these media which you are talking about, teenagers are getting less sleep, and it is dangerous because next day when they come to the class they are tardy, they are not able to focus, they are not that productive. So the I mean, this has become a concern. Do you know that some countries have banned uh, what you call the telephone and
social media.
yeah, in me social
In
medias
North
like,
Korea, sir. So
yeah,
North Korea totally banned.
yeah.
Australia also for
Australia
16.
also has done that one. So it is a good thing because it is a distraction. This is the age for you to learn and focus on studying, not for enjoying the life. That is when you become grihast, like me and Maliki sir and Pankaj sir. Okay, so we work
Sir,
and we so this is, as a parents, as a guardian, and as a student responsible person, we all have to decide what is good for us, right? And so this is a good judgment call by you yourself first and your family, that how much time you should be spending on media.
Yes, sir. And
So
here,
newspaper is on the Google. All you should do is that in the evening when you have time, read the headlines of the what is the headline
sir,
news.
sir,
Yeah.
I was asking for that. Just like Aryan Bhaiya teach quantum physics on WhatsApp, there should be a more secure and safe, like Telegram. It is for this type of things.
No, no, Telegram is not this type of thing. That's what I said. That like Aryan is teaching a class, that is good. You should go that one. You get the information like that. Where are the classes and meetings and discussions? You can join those kind of meetings and clubs. That is okay. But
Sir,
Sir,
just
once,
going.
Already joined in our.
sir, I
sir,
have
He is
one good.
joined on Stadia. Is your
Sir, I have one WhatsApp channel. I think so. I've already mentioned. So I would like that all of you join it.
and
I
sir, here we say name saying Apeksha. Yes, Apeksha.
Good
one
evening,
thing,
sir.
Yes, please say something about yourself.
So, good evening, everyone. I'm Apeksha from Darbhanga, Bihar. Currently, I'm in class ninth and soon in class 10th. Um, I don't know what to say about me. Like, I think old students know me because I was
Yes,
yeah.
yes.
joining before.
So you have any question? Want to say something regarding science?
sir.
No, I don't think because I'm just I'm here without preparing anything. I just randomly joined because I wanted to know what's going on.
So, Apeksha, what are the things you are studying now in science in class 9?
So Earth was telling me she's her sister.
Oh, yeah,
Yes, yes, we know that.
yeah. So, Apeksha, in science, what have you studied in last 6 months?
In last 6 months, I think I studied like structure of atoms in chemistry and in
Hmm.
physics about gravitation and in biology about the improvement in food resources.
Okay. Only these three things in last 6 months? There must be more actually. Do you follow NCERT syllabus in your school?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
Yeah, so
sir,
class 9 has got a lot of science in it.
Yes, sir.
sir,
But in past 6 months, I studied only these three chapters because my final exams are done actually completed of science last day.
sir,
Okay.
And before half yearly, I have completed almost like all the chapters.
Yeah, so what was taught in your school? Did you have a good understanding of that, or you felt that things were not very clear to you?
Like, sir, it really depends on teachers because my
Hmm.
bio teacher changed between like in yeah approx 6 months ago. My bio
Mhm.
teacher changed. So before I was unable to understand, but the new bio teacher made me understand things in a very logical and like exciting way.
Good. So let us say, for example, you learned in physics gravitation. So can you tell us what is gravitation?
Yeah, gravitation is the force of Earth from which it like
So,
keeps things attracted to
so,
it.
so the Earth applies the gravitational force on you also,
Yes,
and do you also applies the how much force? And you also apply force on the Earth.
yes, sir.
So how much force do you apply on Earth, and how much Earth applies on you?
Like it depends on mass, sir.
Yeah, is it same or is it different?
So like I didn't understand what do you mean to say.
Like said, they must have taught you that in gravitation, what is the force the Earth applies on you? Can you tell me that formula?
The mass of the body and
Mass of Earth, and what else? That formula you must have been taught, the Newton's law.
yes, sir, but actually I forgot because I was
No,
preparing from Sanskrit and
no, you cannot
I,
afford to forget that. How will you appear in class 10 exam? Now they will not teach you Newton's law anymore.
yes, sir.
Yeah, you must revise them. You must understand each and everything. Otherwise, as you go into higher classes, you will fail to understand things because the teacher is not going to repeat it.
Yes,
So, who wants to answer this question? How much force Earth is applying on us, and how much force we are applying on the Earth? Who wants
sir,
to give the answer to this question?
sir, I want to say something.
No, no.
Okay.
Regarding this question, Akshay, first of all,
Uh,
Yes.
no, sir, I don't know about this.
no, no. So first
Actually,
of
you
all,
don't. So now, Sak- Saksham, Saksham wants to answer.
Yeah.
No, sir. I was having a question.
Sir, I can try.
Okay, try, Aryan.
Yes, sir. Sir, the force applied by Earth on us is way greater than the force we apply on the Earth. So that is why the Earth's we are on Earth, and I remember the formula. It we to get the force, we multiply the gravitational constant by the mass of the two bodies and divide it by the distance squared. I think so. That's the formula.
Yeah. So the force which the Earth applies on us on Aryan
Yes, sir.
is gravitational constant into mass of the Earth into mass of Aryan divided by distance squared.
Yes, sir.
So this is the force which the Earth applies on Aryan. And how much Aryan is applying force on the Earth? What is
Oh,
the formula for that?
sir, I don't remember that formula.
No, no, same formula it is, same.
It's the same.
Gravitational constant
And
into mass of Earth into mass of Aryan divided by R squared, means distance square. So same force you're applying on Earth.
so, sir, I am applying the same force as Earth, and the Earth is applying the same force.
Applying on you. Yes.
So, sir,
That's what Newton said.
wouldn't that be neutral if I am applying the same force and the Earth is applying the same force?
Yeah, so you are applying the same force. Now, force is equal to Newton said mass into acceleration. So the Earth has got a very huge mass. So the acceleration is less because of you, and your acceleration will be if you jump, your acceleration will be more because your mass is less.
Okay, sir.
Because force is equal to mass into acceleration. So the mass is changing here, but the force remains the same. जितना फोर्स आप अप्लाई कर रहे हैं अर्थ पर, अर्थ भी आप पर उतना ही अप्लाई कर रहा है. Looks very funny, sounds very funny, no?
Yes, sir.
On a cricket ball, whatever is the force applied by the earth is the same as the ball is applying the same force on the earth. Do you believe this? Is this correct? Anyone wants to contest this? Do you
Sir,
all
Like
agree
it's
with this?
Newton's third law.
What is?
Newton's third law.
Sir, I
Yeah, but
want to say something.
who
Every
wants to
action
say? Who
has
wants to say?
opposite of equal
Sir,
reaction.
me Akshar.
Yeah, please say.
Sir, I am saying some people are new or I don't know. Can we introduce ourselves?
Whose introduction do you want?
Sir, mine Earth Shreya named, and there is one Sir Rakesh and Uday. There are some people.
Acha, Uday ji is our teacher. He is your teacher.
Okay.
So
Sir,
he's stationed in USA and he has come to answer your questions.
sir, can I introduce myself?
You want to introduce yourself? Yeah, sure. You please introduce yourself.
Sir, my name is Akshar Parashar. I'm in class 5. I live here. I study in DAV Public School, Sara Mohanpur, Darbhanga.
Sir,
Oh, same school.
Yeah.
Who,
Earth, introduce yourself.
Earth, introduce yourself. Akshar wants to know about you.
sir, my name is Arthaz. I study in Holy Mary International School, Darbhanga. I get to know about Akshay from my sister because they both studied in the same school.
From who?
Good.
Sir, from who?
Apeksha. Apeksha is studying in
From
DAV.
DAV.
Yeah, Afeksha is senior to all of you. She is in class 9
Acha,
and she is going to class. Apeksha, you are going to class 10, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Sir, can
Yeah,
I
but
say something about your question?
yeah, please say.
So you said what, how much force does Earth apply to us and how much we apply to it? Sir,
Hmm.
What that means here is the earth pulls you downward with a force called weight. You also pull the earth upward with the same amount of gravitational force. So it means that force that earth applies on you is equal to the force you apply on earth. Example, like if a person has a weight of like uh, two 200 newtons, then earth pull the person with 200 newton downward, and the person will also pull the earth with the 200 newton upward.
Or weight and mass are different.
Yeah, right. Akshar is telling that the weight and mass is different.
No,
So
sir,
what is the
I'm telling
difference?
Parth.
Who is
Parth,
saying?
Parth.
Earth. So what
Yes.
is the difference between earth and, sorry, weight and mass?
So weight is mean measured in Newton, and mass is measured in kg or any another unit. And weight, if we have to find the mass of an weight of an object, we have to multiply the mass of an object by 9.8. I mean approx 10 we have to multiply. It's the formula of weight.
What is
Okay, we all.
9.8? What is that number means?
9.8 is a formula to find the weight of the
Sir,
thing.
I think Parth have told it wrong, because mass is the amount of matter in an object and weight is the gravitational force acting on the object.
Yeah, that I'm monitoring. No,
Yeah,
mass is,
that is what he has also told.
yes, weight is
Yeah, that
measured
is.
in Newton and mass is measured in
Like
kg.
mass is same
So
everywhere, but weight is changed with gravity. Like if you
Yes.
are anything
And
on
then it will
anything,
be 1 by 7th of our weight. Mass, sorry. Or mass.
SI unit
Sorry,
of
guys.
so
mass is
a,
I
kilogram and SI unit of weight is Newton.
okay. So Apeksha, so suppose I am on the earth. So suppose your weight is, let us say, 40 kg,
Yes, sir.
and suppose you go to moon, then what happens? Your weight will increase or decrease or remain same.
So decrease.
Why?
Because on the moon, it will be 1 by 7 of mean our weight.
One point.
Point 7, 1.7. 1 by 7 mean.
And what
I
will be
want
our
to say
mass
something.
on the moon? Mass will remain same.
Yes, sir. Mass will remain same.
Okay, now let us take lift. Suppose I'm going in the lift and I'm standing on a weighing scale. So suppose I go up and down. Suppose I go in the lift up, and when I go down, so what will happen to the weight? Will it remain
No,
same or will
yes,
it be
sir.
different?
It will remain same, sir.
Acha, who is saying that? Sorry,
Mr. Parth.
Hi, sir. Parth,
Acha,
sir.
Parth is saying that. What about others? Why
Sir,
don't you? Do you have access to a lift?
no, sir, right now, no.
You don't have it, no? So may do this experiment if you get a lift.
Sir, I think so. When we will go up, the gravitational force would be a little more, and we'll may see a change in our weight.
And when we come down,
It may decrease.
it may decrease or it will decrease.
It will decrease, sir.
Okay. Okay. But does everyone agree with this answer? Hello?
so 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 guys, also I need to understand. Somebody said 9.8 number multiply by mass. What is that
Yes, sir. I can
9.8 number?
I
Can
can
you please
answer.
Nine
explain to us?
Yes, sir.
9.8 is the formula to find the weight.
No, actually, that is acceleration due to gravity.
Mhm.
That 9.8 is acceleration due to gravity, that is denoted by small g.
Yes. So have you heard that people who go in the satellite, rocket, so they keep on floating in the sky, and
Yes.
the weight is zero, weightless. Have you heard about it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes,
Yes,
yes.
sir.
They keep on flying, they show you pictures of the rocket, inside. They keep on flying.
Yes, sir.
If they keep on eating something, it keeps on floating in the rocket.
Yes.
So, so why it happens? There is no gravitational force there.
No, sir, it is getting cancelled by the centrifugal force. So it is moving in such a manner that it cancels out the gravitational force of the Earth. So if I spin we can take an example. If I get an bicycle's tire, and if I rotate it very fast, it would stand up. So that is the concept used there.
Mhm.
That is why we feel weightless there.
So there the centrifugal force acts, is it?
Yes, sir. Sir, there are many more questions from Rakesh, Apeksha, and many more.
Yeah. I think there are so many raised hands. So first we'll take Apeksha has come newly. Apeksha, what is your question?
No, sir. I don't have any question. I just wanted to answer that the weight, the formula of weight is not mass multiplied by 9.8. It's actually mass multiplied by acceleration due to gravity. The 9.8 is the like for what we say the
The value
value
it
of
was.
acceleration, the value of acceleration due to gravity.
Hmm.
And if if anyone asks what is the formula of weight, we should answer mass into acceleration due to gravity. If we answer mass into 9.8, certainly will be wrong.
Hmm.
Am I
All right.
right, sir?
Yeah, no. What is the difference that I didn't understand? You are saying the same thing, no? That so
Yes, sir.
nine
This is
point
the
eight
same
is the
thing.
acceleration due to gravity. What is 9.8? What meter square?
Like
What is the
someone
unit of this?
answered that mass into 9.8. If we like in interviews, if we'll answer like this, I think they'll say that it's
What is
not
this?
a formal
What,
way to answer.
no. What is this 9.8? This what is the unit of this one?
Sir, the formula of weight is mass into acceleration.
Agreed. That I agreed. No, Apeksha, I am asking you, what is the unit of this one? Is it only 9.8, or there is some unit to it?
Sir,
Yes,
I
sir.
want to, sir,
Yeah. Let us first get ahead with Apeksha's answer.
Yes, sir.
What is the unit of nine? This gravity acceleration due to gravity.
Sir, meter per second square.
Yeah. What is the meaning of acceleration?
Sir, the rate of change of
Question.
the velocity.
Is it the rate of change of velocity or speed?
Velocity, sir.
Not speed. What is the difference between velocity and speed?
Sir, velocity.
Let Apeksha
Speed is,
answer.
yes, sir. Speed is distance divided
Distance divided by,
time, sir.
and velocity is.
Displacement divided by time.
What?
So what is displacement?
Sir, displacement is the actual path length with actual path length between initial and final point.
So that is what is called distance, no? Path length. Path length is only the min.
Shortest
So
path
in
length.
speed, you said distance divided by time, and now you are saying path length divided by time.
No,
So
sir.
path
I was
length is
saying
same
that
thing as distance.
displacement is the shortest path length between the initial point and the final point.
I don't think, Apeksha, you need to revise your gravitational thing chapter once again. Then we'll ask
No,
you
sir, I
questions
was
next
saying
time.
that you asked me about displacement, right?
Yeah. What is displacement?
Yeah, sir, that I'm saying. The displacement is the shortest path length between the initial point and the final point. Like if we are coming from school to our home, we are
Hmm.
covering a lot of distance. Like there is that turn and this, like that. And if we go straight from our school to
Sir,
our home, like a straight
sir,
line, it will be
Let her
the
finish.
shortest
Okay,
path
wait.
length.
Wait for your turn.
sir, I want to
Okay.
that
Okay.
uh,
Just a minute. So, Apeksha, maybe could you, since we don't have time, could you make a revision of your gravitation chapter, and I'll ask you questions next time.
Okay, okay, sir, certainly.
Yeah. Yeah. Who was asking the question now?
sir, this topic is taking very much long. Please end this.
This is very long topic. Okay. Yeah.
So question, sir.
Yeah. Who else is asking a question?
So
Sir,
I.
I want to ask. Sir, I.
Sir, I also want to ask a question.
Acha, okay, Akshar, let us give chance to Earth and then we'll come to you. Hello, Earth.
Yes, sir.
You want to ask a question?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, ask.
Sir, if a stone is dropped from a height of 80 meters from the surface of the earth, how long will it take to reach the ground?
Yeah, who wants to answer this
What is the
question?
question? Hello?
Who wants to answer this
Sir,
question?
What is the
Yeah,
question?
so it depends on the weight of the rock.
who wants to answer this question?
Sir, I think so. His question was that if you drop a ball from 80 meters, how much time it would take to reach the ground? So, sir, it
It
would
dep-
take approximately 9 seconds if we calculate the air resistance. Approximately 9 seconds.
And it also depends at the
No.
mass and size of the ball. If the ball is a 9 kilograms heavy and almost triple of the size, then it will take less time.
It is due to aerodynamics. So, sir,
No,
there were
so
questions.
how, so how did you calculate how much time it will take?
So, sir, I just divided 80 by 9.
No, this is accelerated motion. So that is what I'm asking. This is motion is accelerated. So you cannot divide distance by time.
So, how, sir,
Because
how
the first,
do that?
because the first, when you release the ball, the first second the speed will be 9.8 meters per second. The next second it will be again 9 plus 9, 18 meter per second. So this is accelerated motion, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So how to calculate? Probably this is not taught in class 5, but Apeksha must be knowing how to calculate.
Sir,
Hello?
Hello, uh, hello, Apeksha, are you here?
Apeksha, can you explain to us in the next class how to calculate how much time it will take?
Yes, sir, of course.
Okay. Okay.
so I have one more question.
Who has?
Right, sir.
Yeah, go ahead.
So the question is same as stone is dropped from a height of 80 meter. So
Yeah,
what
same.
will be yes, sir?
Yeah, same question. Apeksha will answer you next time.
No,
She
sir,
will catch.
another question.
Okay,
What
this is,
will be its velocity just before hitting the ground?
hmm.
I asked my teacher asked this.
Yeah. So both the question Apeksha will answer you next time because it has been taught in class 9. She has been taught this
Okay, sir.
formula.
Hello,
Okay.
sir.
She is going to explain to us.
Sir Ram Shankar ji also joined. Namaste Ram Shankar ji.
Sir,
Acha.
sir, I'm having one question about time.
Who has the question?
Saksham.
Sir, I'm having a question about time.
Yeah. Ask the question.
Sir, I have sent an image in the group. So, according to that image, the formulas of time dilation is given. So, how does scientists calculate the speed and motion and the dilated time with
Uh,
the help of this formula?
so Saksham, they are in a different group, and I have in a different group. So I've just put the link inside the messages. So if you want to see it, you can join it. So he has the questions.
Sir,
Yes, Akshar.
and sir, I'm also having one more question that suppose there is a ball 4 meters wide and you can say 50 kilograms heavy, and if we drop it from the 50th floor of the building, then how much time it will take to reach the ground?
Yeah. So these things, Apeksha is going to tell you next time.
Sir, I am having one doubt, sir.
It has been taught in her class.
Yes, Parth, you want
So,
to say something? Parth?
Yes, sir. So in my book it is written the metamorphic change of sandstone is marble, limestone is marble. And in another paragraph it is written marble is made of one type of mineral known as calcite. So what's similarity between calcite and limestone?
oh my God, very difficult question, by the way, for me actually. Can someone answer this? Uday ji is the right person who can answer. Uday ji, आप हैं?
There.
He is asking question about
Yeah.
meta. Yes,
So
the
what is the question
conversion to
actually?
marble.
Yeah.
Udo
So
card subject which.
no. So marble is basically a type of metamorphic rock. And what is the question he's asking actually? That how
Sabi
is formed?
तुम नहीं हो Sabi
Hello. So
Parth,
basically, any
Parth,
any meta
Yes, sir.
yeah, any metamorphic rock is made basically because of high temperature and pressure. So that's how it
No,
is. Marble is also formed. So what is the
no,
exact question that?
I am asking the metamorphic form of limestone is marble,
Yeah,
and and marble is also made of calcite. Then
yeah.
why it is formed by sandstone and limestone and it consists of calcite?
So anything basically because of high pressure and temperature, they get crystallized. So anything which can be recrystallized will turn into marble. So is this answer sufficient for you?
Parth, it's okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now
Okay.
who else has a question?
Sir,
So we have Ram Shankar ji also has joined us.
Yes,
sir,
sir.
I do class on my tablet, and this doesn't have any SIM, and I don't use WhatsApp. How can I join Aryan Bhaiya group?
But you have Wi-Fi, is it?
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, so Wi-Fi is you can use Wi-Fi to join his class.
Sir, but my mother will don't allow for
Oh
using
my
WhatsApp.
God. So, do you want us to talk to your mother that please allow him to join the class?
Sir, if you can do sir.
It's so nice of you. Yeah. Pankaj. So maybe next time you bring a letter, we will talk to your mother that please allow.
My mother is here,
My mother is
just beside my room.
okay. So Pankaj ji will talk to your mother, or if she can come, then we can tell her now.
Okay, 1 second, sir.
Wow, we have big questions. In the
Can you
meantime,
answer?
yeah, I think there were some more questions, so you guys can, continue asking questions one by one. Oh, your mother is here.
न,
Namaste.
नमस्कार।
नमस्कार सर, नमस्कार।
हम लोग अक्षर से बहुत खुश हैं। मैं इतना छोटा होकर के इतने सारे अच्छे प्रश्न पूछ रहा है और पढ़ने में इतना अच्छा है, पर उसकी शिकायत क्या है कि वह जो है आर्यन एक क्लास करता है, उस क्लास को ज्वाइन करना चाहता है।
जी।
तो वो कहता है कि आप उसे परमिशन दे उसका क्लास ज्वाइन करने के लिए।
WhatsApp, sir. WhatsApp permission.
व्हाट्सएप
No, it's not a WhatsApp permission. It's the same thing. Yes, Aryan.
Yes, sir, it's the same thing like we are doing here.
या इट्स ए गूगल मीट ओनली।
Sir, for getting the link, we should have an platform like WhatsApp. From where
So
I
I've
will get?
already sent in the link in the chat.
Yes, sir. I want to join WhatsApp on my tablet for this. That I am saying.
Okay.
काय देखो ये दादू फिक्स करते
No, same thing. Same things.
सब आप अक्षर की थोड़ी सहायता कीजिए कि वो क्लास अटेंड कर सके। हम लोगों के तरफ से विनती है।
नहीं सर, विनती नहीं है, ऐसा मत बोलिए सर। आप भी टीचर हैं सर और मैं भी टीचर हूँ।
अच्छा, आप कहाँ पढ़ाती हैं?
जी, मैं दरभंगा में एमएल एकेडमी स्कूल।
अच्छा, वो तो बहुत बहुत फेमस स्कूल है। क्या विषय पढ़ाती हैं?
सर मेरा विषय ऐसे इकोनॉमिक्स है, तो मैं 9th 10th को हिंदी और 11th 12th को इकोनॉमिक्स पढ़ाती हूँ।
अच्छा, तब तो बहुत अच्छी बात है। तब तो एमएल एकेडमी तो फेमस स्कूल है दरभंगा का।
जी जी जी।
तो अक्षर so no your link you can send in the mail and that he can access. He need not use WhatsApp, he can use the mail itself.
Okay, sir.
सर एक्चुअली अभी हम इसको व्हाट्सएप नहीं यूज करने देते।
हाँ,
सही है, सही है।
हाँ एकदम सही करते हैं। व्हाट्सएप पे भी नहीं यूज करना है।
सोशल
तो
मीडिया पर अभी हम इसको एक्टिव नहीं होने दिए हैं और अभी होने भी नहीं देंगे सर।
हाँ एकदम ठीक कर रहे हैं। पर ये जो क्लास वगैरह जो होते हैं
जी
छोटे बच्चों सबके लिए, जैसे कि हम लोग भी छोटे बच्चों के लिए ही क्लास करते हैं, या वो ज्वाइन करना चाहता है एरियन के क्लास में,
जी।
तो
आर्यन कहाँ
वो
क्लास करता है?
आर्यन आर्यन बताओ अपने बारे में। आर्यन भी अभी आपके इसमें दिखाई पड़ रहा होगा।
हाँ,
जी जी दिख रहा है बच्चा।
आर्यन
मैं
अपने बारे में बताइए।
मैं 7th में पढ़ता हूँ अभी, और मैं कुछ 1-2 सालों से साइंस की क्लासेस करवाता हूँ।
ओके।
वो थोड़े एडवांस कॉन्सेप्ट्स होते हैं जैसे क्वांटम मैकेनिक्स, तो उसके बारे में हम लोग पढ़ते हैं। और मैंने कहते हैं 1-2 साल से कर रहा हूँ, और अगला टॉपिक मैं क्वांटम मैकेनिक्स के बारे में ही रखने वाला था।
तो आप कहाँ से हो आर्यन?
आंटी मैं बिहार में पैदा हुआ था, मैं अभी लुधियाना में हूँ अपनी पढ़ाई के लिए।
बिहार में कहाँ से हो?
लुधियाना एक पंजाब में है, एक शहर उधर है।
बिहार में कहाँ से हो? लुधियाना हम जान रहे हैं।
आप मुजफ्फरपुर गांव से, मुजफ्फरपुर काटी से।
कांटी से, ठीक है। हम जान रहे हैं, कांटी जान रहे हैं, क्योंकि मेरा एजुकेशन मुजफ्फरपुर एमडीडीएम से है, इसलिए मैं कांटी को अच्छे से जान रहे हैं।
हाँ ठीक है बेटा, बाय, हैव अ नाइस डे।
हम थोड़ा देरी में करते हैं।
जिम जेते जय।
सर कांटी में मधुकर छपरा से है, साइन वाला से। नवीन बोल रहा है, आर्यन का फादर बोल रहे हैं। आंटी नमस्कार।
ओके ओके।
एक्चुअली क्या है कि हम लोग एक्चुअली ड्यूरिंग द कोविड टाइम में ना फ्री ऑनलाइन क्लासेस आर्यन अटेंड किया था यूएसए से। तो काफी मतलब ये भी प्रभावित है, तो उसी टाइम से हम लोग एक चला रहे हैं चीजें कि चलो ठीक है जो बच्चे लोग का है, और ये थोड़ा एडवांस है ऑलरेडी। इसके इसरो उसरो से लिंक है, साइंटिस्ट से लिंक है इसके। और एक इसरो युविका करके एग्जाम होने वाला है, तो उसके लिए भी प्रिपरेशन कर रहा है। जो कि
सर ऐसा है कि हम ये पिछले 2 साल से पीडब्ल्यू का क्लास ले रहा है।
अच्छा, पीडब्ल्यू के फिजिक्स वाला, ठीक है। हाँ
जी जी हाँ। तो इसी वजह से इसका कुछ डेवलपमेंट भी अच्छा हुआ है, क्योंकि यहाँ तो बिहार में जो स्कूल की पढ़ाई है, अगर पेरेंट्स ध्यान नहीं दें तो बच्चा आगे बढ़ ही नहीं सकता है।
हाँ।
तो हम
नहीं
सोच के आपको बताते हैं सर।
नहीं, कोई इशू नहीं है। वो बाकी मल्लिक सर अच्छे से जानते हैं, काफी सारे हैं बच्चे। आर्यन ही इसमें थोड़ा सा है, वो उसको थोड़ा अच्छा लग रहा था अर्थ किया, अपना कंसेप्ट समझ लेगा
हाँ
इसीलिए।
हाँ ठीक है, फिर भी थोड़ा सा समझ के फिर हम बताते हैं।
कोई इशू नहीं, नॉट इसमें। ये भी काफी जो सक्षम है, ये भी इसके क्लास में रहता है एवरी टाइम। काफी सारे बच्चे ज्वाइन करते हैं, यूएसए से रहते हैं, श्रीलंका से रहते हैं। जो वो टाइम जोन रहता है 4 बजे, संडे का 4 बजे क्लास कराता है, उसमें कोई इशू नहीं। ठीक है।
ठीक है, थैंक यू मैडम, थैंक यू मैडम फॉर दिस।
From your right hand.
और कोई क्वेश्चन है कुछ?
Sir, I am having the question.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Sir, I have a question that suppose if we had not sent any mission on the planets like Mercury, so how does scientists know that how does their crust is made of?
Yeah, well, can you repeat the question? Sorry, I couldn't hear it.
So suppose scientists want to, you can say, suppose scientists want to know about the crust of Mercury, but they did not have sent any missions on it. So how the scientists already know about how does the crust of Mercury is made up of?
Oh,
Please go.
so what you're asking is that without going to Mercury, how people know that Mercury is made of what?
And I can try.
You want to try, Aryan? Go ahead.
So, sir, there is one thing in astronomy called spectrography. So, we observe the wavelengths absorbed and given off by an planet, and if it has very wide and thick spectral lines, we can assume that it has very thick atmosphere, and that is the case, and that is how we can say that Mercury has a thick crust.
Oh no, so his question is you're more or less correct, but let me just add to it that you see what you said is spectroscopy is correct. So basically, all elements or molecules or all chemical molecules, anything they have got a particular spectrum. Means when the light shines on that, it gives out a particular kind of wavelengths it emits. लाइक से अब ग्रीन लीफ पर जब गिरता है लाइट तो उसमें से सिर्फ ग्रीन लाइट ही निकलता है. Say for example the sun, because the sun say we get the helium का एटम का जो लाइन होता है स्पेक्ट्रोस्कोपिक लाइन तो हीलियम से मिलता है. That is how people discovered that the periphery of the sun, there is a lot of helium is there. So just when the light comes from a particular planet, no, then you can analyze the spectrum and you can find out what materials are there. He's asking that how do you know about the crust?
Okay,
Am I
sir.
correct? Did I hear correctly?
Yes, sir. I think so.
So in fact, our one of the Indian scientists, C.V. Raman, also made a huge contribution to this, that how to understand the spectroscopic nature of chemical molecules. And this was done in Kolkata. The discovery he made, he did it in Kolkata. So is it time to say goodbye to all of you?
Yes, sir. Time is 9:17. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Earth, you have any question?
Yeah, Earth, there
No,
come
sir.
from Earth.
Okay. Okay.
Sir, I am having one last question.
Okay, go ahead.
So, sir, how does scientists identify the quasars? Because the quasars are generally many billions of light years away from Earth, but still, due to their brightness, they look like a star in the Milky Way. So, how does scientists identify that that object is a quasar, not a star?
Yes, sir. I
Yeah.
can try.
Yeah, try, Aryan.
So, sir, like whenever there is anything else, like a catastrophe happening, like a supernova, we get signs in our atmosphere, and the ultraviolet rays from that is way more intense and unique, from the others that we got from the sun. And when they interact with the atmosphere, there are detectors lying on the earth, so they detect and say that where it came from. And if we try to do with the case of quasars, it may work.
It may.
Yes, sir. So
Udayji, you want to add something to it?
Yeah. What is the question that how do you what is
How
the
do
difference
you
between quasar
how
and
do you
star?
detect? Yeah,
Star is
how do
supposed
you
to be
do?
brighter than quasar, so that one is the luminous brightness could be one reason that you can find. That is one thing that comes in my mind. Brightness.
It has got also the way it emits the radiation also is little bit different from the normal stars.
That's also
That's why,
true.
yeah, that's why it was named quasi-stellar object.
Yeah. So the star actually gives that visual frequency, and quasar talks about other part of the frequency, basically gamma rays, X-rays, which are outside visible range. The reason why they look dim is visible range, the frequency in that particular range is less.
Right.
Most of the frequencies are higher range. X-ray, gamma rays are higher frequency range. So, yeah, frequency actually, the light itself is a frequency. We are able to see frequencies between 400 nanometer to 700 nanometers. We call them light. So if you can see frequency in that particular range, it's light. If you can't see it, it's other things. So that's why we have X-rays, gamma rays, ultraviolet rays, infrared, heat. We can't see heat, we can feel heat, but that is also a frequency, a wave. So the frequency or wave in a visible range, we call it light. Wave which is not in visible range has different names depending on their frequency.
And sir, I am having one more question that I've heard that the object which is having heat in the space like stars
and some other objects have a habitable zone. So does the habitable zone can exist near a quasar?
Habit or no?
Yeah, but where did you get this question from? How this question has come in your mind?
Sir, that's because the moon has a very low temperature, so a habitable zone cannot exist near it. And even with Jupiter and other cooler objects cannot have an habitable zone. But the hotter objects like stars have an habitable zone because if there is a planet near a star, so it will be very hot. If it is very far from the star, so it will be very cold. So at the line which is known as the habitable zone, if the planet exists in that zone, then it will receive the normal amount of heat and energy. So can this habitable zone could exist near a quasar?
Sir, can I try to answer this question?
Yeah, go ahead.
Even if there is an habitable zone around it, the the quasar may emit or eject materials like the things we experience has solar flares, but way more intense, so that may reduce the chances of life. So I don't think so an habitable zone around an quasar might be possible. So there are many other stars like white dwarfs, red dwarfs, and a habitable zone around a red dwarf is not possible because it is way too active, and it uh, it's- it is way more dangerous. So it may emit solar flares, which may kill the chances of life. I think so.
But
So
what will happen if the life exists several kilometers deep in the planet, like in the case of Enceladus?
so even if it is in deep water, the if the radiation may reach it, the chances of life are still very low if the radiation hits it.
Yeah, maybe next time we discuss that what are the things required to have a habitable zone anywhere. I think let's discuss it next time as the main topic.
I'll just add one thing.
Yes,
He's focusing only around temperature, but temperature is just one part of habitation. The
right.
quasars are basically have gamma rays, X rays, which will kill anything. So if there is a burst of gamma rays towards Earth, everything will be destroyed on Earth. It has a lot of energy. So even if some bacteria or something possible, I don't know. If it is possible also, it's very difficult for them to survive under adverse conditions. So temperature is just one part of the whole gamut of things. Is other radiations also matters. We are a lot of our radiations gets reflected because of Earth's magnetic field, which is not true in case of Mars. So it's not just the temperature which is should be right. There are other factors also has to be right for life to exist.
Yeah, there are many factors required for life to exist. चलिए अब हम लोग खाने पीने के लिए जाते हैं.
Yes, yes, sir.
Sir, I am having one last question.
Yes, okay, go ahead with your last question.
So, sir, suppose if there is a black hole 70 times more massive than the sun, so
Mhm.
how will the scientist will find its diameter?
Oh, this one we discussed it. Yeah, this one Aryan had given the answer to it. Aryan?
Uh, Sir, for something the mass of a 70 solar
So
masses.
why does he say 70 times? Why he doesn't say more?
So, sir, we can find it for any particular amount. We have to just put it into a formula. I forgot the name. So it will calculate the Schwarzschild radius of that particular thing if we know its mass?
Yeah, no, he's asking that how to find out what is the dimension of that black hole.
Okay, so sir, a Schwarzschild radius is the minimum space that you need to create a black hole. So, if we put it to the formula, we will get the dimensions of that black hole. The diameter. We will also get the diameter with that.
No, but that formula assumes that you need to know the mass also. Then you
Yes.
can calculate what is the radius that is required. Like, say, if the Jupiter's radius was much less, it could have become a black hole itself.
Yes, sir.
But there is radiation, hello, there is radiation emitted from the periphery of the black holes. So that is where recently when they saw the black hole in the center of the Milky Way, that is how they measured it.
Hawking radiation.
Right.
Okay.
So the black hole in the Milky Way was there. That is how they estimated it.
Okay, sir.
So let us go for dinner. Wish you all the best. Have a nice time. Thank you, Udayji.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you. Thank you so much.
Bye,
Bye
sir.
bye.
Thank you, Pankajji and Amarnathji.
Thank you, everybody. Good night.
Good night.
Thank you, sir. Good night, sir.
Good night.